In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download elements from Canva. By the end, you'll know how to export only the parts of your design you need without saving the entire page. This is perfect for grabbing a logo, an icon, or a set of graphics to reuse elsewhere. First, open your design in Canva. Make sure you are on the page that contains the elements you want. It helps to take a second to look closely at what you'll export. Only the items you select will be included, and they'll keep their placement relative to each other in the final file. Next, click one element to select it. Then hold the Shift key and click any other elements you want to add. Keep holding Shift as you go so everything you click becomes part of the selection. If you accidentally add something, just Shift-click it again to remove it. Take a moment to confirm everything you need is highlighted. Text, shapes, icons, and images can all be included together, and they'll download as a single selection. With your elements selected, right-click on the selection. If right-click isn't convenient for you, you can click the three dots menu that appears with the selection tools. Both options open the same menu of actions. From that menu, choose Download Selection. This tells Canva to export only what you've selected, not the entire canvas. It's a great way to keep your export clean and focused, and it preserves spacing between the selected items, exactly as they appear in your design. You'll now pick a file format. Choose PNG if you want a high-quality image with a transparent background. Transparency means you won't get a white box around your graphics when you place them over photos or colored backgrounds. PNG is a solid choice for web use, presentations, and most quick sharing needs. Choose SVG if you are dealing with vector graphics like logos and icons and you want to scale them to any size without losing quality. SVG files are ideal for designers and developers, and they're great when you'll edit or resize the graphics in other design tools. Just note that certain effects or photos won't turn into vectors, they'll remain as images inside the SVG. After selecting your format, click Download. Canva will prepare the file and save it to your default Downloads folder. You can now use that exported selection anywhere you need. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.